Dr. Fernando Robles. Let us invite also Commissioner George Erwin M. Garcia. Also with the presence of our President, Dr. July G. Alaba, President of CvSU Alumni Association, and also to be signed and witnessed with the presence of Mr. Jaime, Honorable Jaime D. Quiñones. So let us now witness this momentous event, that we will be unveiling the markers of the CvSU Alumni Association Bahay Alumni. Wow! Okay. One, with the count of 3, okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, congratulations to CvSU Alumni Association Incorporated. So true enough that this marker signifies, let me read the content. Okay, so while they are taking the picture, so the unveiling of this Bahay ng Alumni marker today, December 16, 2023, we are truly let me read the content for everyone to see. So this Bahay ng Alumni was completed and inaugurated on December 16, 2023. So Cavite State University Don Severino de las Alas Campus Alumni Association Incorporated with SEC registration number 2023-110-12668-08. This Bahay ng Alumni was completed and inaugurated on December 16, 2023. It is a living testament to the commitment and resolve of the university and the association to provide and deliver efficient, transparent, and dedicated services to the alumni and its stakeholders. With the sign, of course, the officers, Perlita A. Crisostomo, Rosalina P. De Sagun, Lauro C. Erania, Josea de la Matel, and Lisette M. Mendoza, Hildy Ramos, and Sally A. Rohel, with the President, Dr. Julio G. Alaba. The Board of Directors, on the other hand, consists of Maria Cecilia B. Aquino, Vilma E. Constante, Hilchor P. Cubillo, Nenita B. Panaligan, Josephine G. Penus, and Regina Flor O. Peña. With the chairperson of the board, Mr. Nelson L. Mojica. Of course, with the support of Dr. Roderick M. Rupido, the current director of the Alumni Affairs. And with this marker, it is written how the Alumni Association greatly announces its gratitude, our profound gratitude to Dr. Hernando D. Robles, of course, the president of the CvSU, for unwavering support towards the completion of this Bahay ng Alumni. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, okay? So we will be, you are very